everyone, as you can see we have a lot of stuff come in from Arrow. The biggest question everyone has is like how heavy or how light each of the exhaust is, comparing like Akrapovic and Arrow exhaust. Now most of these, when they come in stock for us, are actually sold out. It's like however many we get in stock, the 71205 CPs are always sold out. But not to worry, like we have the 71205 other models like the full evolution, the bigger exhaust. Then we have the their world superbike pista PTZ exhaust. So because everyone is having a question how heavy they are, so we thought like we'll just compare the weight of each exhaust. So I'll start with the 71205 CP, then I'll bring the other exhaust like the pista, the competition evolution, and also the Akrapovic for the BMW S1000RR. We'll do the same exercise for everything, like for the Yamaha motorcycles. Then we'll do that for the Ducatis as well. The exhausts that we have in stock, how heavy they are, and which one will give you the best weight savings. Alright, let's start with this one. So this one, along with the Akrapovic full titanium system, is like our hot selling one. It just came, so we'll be glad to weigh this with the box because we'll be doing the same exercise with the other exhaust as well. But if anyone is even like more, if they feel it's more crucial to do it without the box, I can get it done. It's no big deal. So here we have like our weighing scale, which if you can see is one of the most accurate one in the market. So it can do like a graduation of like 0.05 pounds, or that is like 50 grams, which is more than sufficient, and we can weigh up to like 440 pounds. So I think this scale is pretty good determination factor for the weight. And let's see how heavy this exhaust is. Oh wow, so along with the box it just weighs mere 12 pounds. Oh, that's a lot of weight saving if you remove the OEM exhaust and add the low competition Evo from Arrow. I don't think we can, or anybody else can, match these numbers, but let's see. So we are back inside our warehouse. I just brought the scales here. Now one of the other exhausts that we sell a lot is the 71205 PTC. It's the same headers and the mid pipe as the 71205 CP that we were showing, but it's a pista muffler which comes from the World Superbike spec. Now let's weigh this one. Yeah, this definitely looked heavier than the 71205 CP, guys. So if you see, it's actually 4 pounds and 15 ounces heavier than the other exhaust that we sell the most. The box seems to be similar in weight, but I think the mid pipe is much longer for this exhaust, so that adds quite a bit of weight. Let's measure another one that we have for the S1000RR. Now these are the highest selling exhausts that we have: Arrow, Akrapovic. Then we also have the headers from Arrow, on which you can mount any of this SC Project muffler. We have the stainless steel as well as the titanium headers. We'll weigh them as well, but let's first do the main three exhausts here. Alright, so the competition full titanium Evo is kind of 3 pounds kind of heavier than the 71205 CP. So that's a good sign. That's the reason why we sell them the most, the low competition Evo. Here's the one with the new packaging that we have. This is another exhaust that we sell the most. It's the B10, E10, APLT. It's the Evolution exhaust system. Let's weigh this. I mean, the box might be a little bit bigger, but it weighs almost similar to the competition Evo exhaust. So we can say it might be lighter than the competition Evo a little bit because the box is bigger. We can do that comparison as well, where we'll build this exhaust, put them on the weighing scale and see how much it weighs compared to the other ones. Now let's compare the two headers that we always have in question that sell the most. One's the Akrapovic titanium headers. The other one is going to be the Arrow titanium headers. So this might be a tricky question because the box is very small compared to the Akrapovic. But again, like we just attended the Akrapovic training. I'm not here to vouch for any company, and it seems like these guys use like 7 different kinds of titanium to make an exhaust. I'll share a picture with you for a Porsche 911 exhaust where they have done such extreme or intricate titanium welds around the exhaust, and like the company has used 7 different types of titanium sourced from Japan, from all over the world, to make that one exhaust. So I mean, like Akrapovic has its own name, but let's weigh them and see. So I'll first do the Akrapovic headers. The box is bigger. We'll say it's at least a pound heavier than the Arrow headers. So these, as you guys can see, comes out at 10 pounds and 3 ounces. I mean, this makes sense because it's only like a low version of the Arrow exhaust, and it's like about a pound or maybe 2 pounds lighter. And then that 2 pounds is actually the slip-on that Arrow has. We have them separately. It's the 71903 PRN that comes with the 71205 full exhaust system. Okay, so now let's weigh these headers, the titanium headers from Arrow. Oh, these ones are pretty light. Only comes at 7 pound 11 ounces. Wow, this is like 3 pounds lighter than the Akrapovic. I'm pretty sure the box might be weighing a few pounds here and there because there might be a booklet and a manual. Let's do this. Let's do an even comparison. Okay, so I think we did realize that we are doing a gross weight of the box, where we have the booklets, the manual, the paper, everything in this Akrapovic. We should just do the net of how much of the weight goes on your motorcycle. So now it might be an even comparison. We only have the mounting nuts and the springs and the exhaust itself, or the header itself. Let's see how this comes out to be. Okay, so without the box, without the manual, without all this packing paper, this exhaust weighs 6 pounds and 6 ounces, or I should say these headers weigh 6 pounds 6 ounces. So now it becomes more comparable to the Arrow. Let's open that one as well. So it's an even comparison, guys. You don't want to sound like a biased opinionator here. Alright, so we are trying to do an even comparison here. So we'll just weigh everything that goes on the motorcycle. The headers, the mid pipes. Let's see. I think we have these 4 headers right here. The mid pipe and the final pipe. And then, just for an even comparison, we open this box. This has no installation manual, only a paper. And once we do the weight, it's exactly similar to the Akrapovic headers. There's no difference. It's just the difference in what titanium they use, what grade titanium they use, because Akrapovic uses like 7 different types of titanium. I don't know if on these headers they use that, but again, they are very evenly matched. So you can use any of these headers. Based on your cost, you can put an SC project. Like how I was telling you guys, after comparing the weights of the 71768 MI titanium headers with the Akrapovic titanium headers, these headers actually give you a lot of flexible options. You can use like the SC project mufflers that we have in stock. We also have a few mufflers from Arrow in stock that you can use on these headers. We have some Akrapovic mufflers that we have in stock. We have a carbon fiber one, a shorty can, and then there's one with like carbon fiber and the end pipe is like a titanium. from Akrapovic. We also do have some mufflers from Termignoni in stock. So if you want to do some like if you want to use like a system which is not like a full system that has been given provided by the manufacturers like Arrow or Akrapovic, so this would be like the best option that we have. You can go with the stainless steel headers, which is more economical. You can buy the titanium headers, which is more lightweight, and then you can use any muffler like SC Project, Austin Racing, which we'll have available soon, Termignoni, Akrapovic, or Arrow mufflers or slip-ons, how we say in US, with these headers, and that will be like one of the options as well. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you want any more suggestions, any more information that you like, you know where to reach us at. I'll share the details for reaching us at, like our email address, our phone number, and the website details over here. Thank you.